Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to Math Time. So we're going to continue working on subtraction. Now you guys are doing a really good job with this. Let's keep it up. We're going to do something slightly different today. So make sure you're paying really good attention. Hello! Oh, Mrs. Duck. Hello everyone. Hello. I just wanted to come and check in, make sure you are doing okay with subtraction. Okay, I'm glad to hear that. Remember, if you have any problems, make sure you tell Mr. T during Zoom. Okay? Okay, ta-ta. Bye-bye for now. See you later. I'll see you for our challenge on Friday. There she goes. She likes to check in, make sure we're doing well with our work. Not only just sight words, she likes to check in on math too. Alright, let's get to it. We are going to do something just a little bit different today. We are doing subtraction, but we're going to look at it just in a different way. So, I have my whiteboard and I have a marker. And I'm going to show you guys something called labeling. So sometimes we'll have a problem like this. It'll say there are 7 folders. 7 folders, 6 of the folders are red. The rest are yellow. How many are yellow? Okay, so there's a lot going on there, right? So let's draw it out as I read through it again. There are 7 folders. There's 7 folders. Normally, we've been using dots. Today, we're going to use circles, and you're going to see why in just a moment. So there's 7 folders. So we're going to draw 7 circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to make these big enough that I can draw in them. Okay, I'm going to draw in them. I'm going to put a letter. So the next part says 6 folders are red. So 6 of these are going to be red folders. Now, if you had colors, you could use colors. But we don't have colors. Today, I just have my marker, and it's a black one, and that's all I have. So what I'm going to do is, red begins with the letter R, right? Red, yep, begins with the letter R. So inside 6 of these, I'm going to write a letter R to show that they are red. So I'm going to put it right in the middle, just like that. Letter R. 1, 2, I'm going to put it in 6 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, the next step in our problem says the rest are yellow. So it didn't give us a number. So we're just going to fill in the rest of them with a Y, because yellow begins with a Y, to show that they're yellow. Now as I look, there's just one more. And so I put a Y inside of there. Now I've labeled this. Now, we're not done yet, because we're going to be asked to write out a subtraction sentence. Well, how do we do it for this? We take the information that it gave us. First, there are 7 folders. 6 of them are red. 6 of them are red, the rest are yellow. So what we're doing is we want to take away all the red ones, and we're left with the yellow, right? That's how we find out how many are yellow. So if we take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from 7, we're left with, do you know? 1. 7 minus 6 equals 1. How many yellow folders are there? 1. This is labeling. This is another way to do subtraction, right? Before we move on, before I let you do some on your own, let's do another one together. What do you say? Okay, this time there are 8 pencils. So we're going to do the same way. There are 8 pencils. 3 pencils are short, the rest are long. So the first piece of information we have is there are 8 pencils. So we're going to draw 8 circles. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. I have 8. And I notice that mine kind of go down a little bit. Alright, so we have 8 pencils here. And 3 of these pencils are short. short. And so I'm going to put an S for short. So in how many? That's right, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And it says the rest are long. How many are long? Long begins with L, right? So I'm going to put an L in each one of these. And now we're going to write out our number sentence. So first, we start with 8 pencils. We're going to take the 3 short ones away. And then we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 long ones. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Good? Okay. So your assignment today comes from our Chapter 2 book. We are going to be on page 63. 6 and a 3, and it looks like this. Look for the raccoon. And as a matter of fact, why don't I show you on the page how we want to do this? Alright? So I'm going to bring you guys in just a little bit closer so you can see. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. There are 9 fish. 5 fish are red, the rest are yellow. How many fish are yellow? Okay. So first we're going to start off with our 9 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is how I want you to do your work today. Just like this. In the space that it gives you, you draw your circles and label them. 5 fish are red, so I'm going to label 5 of these with an R for red. 4, 5. The rest are yellow. The rest are yellow. So the rest of them I'm going to put a Y for yellow. Oops. There we go. Now our last step is just to come up with our number sentence here. We have our 9. We're going to take away the 5 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to take those away and we're going to be left with 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow. And then don't forget, right over here is where we answer. Again, it says yellow fish. We're going to make sure we put 4 because there are 4. Good? Okay, so what we are going to do today is I'm going to have you do on page 63, do 4, 5, and 6. And then we're going to turn the page to 64A, and you're going to do 1 and 2. All right? Now, I'm going to read through them for you, and you can pause after I read through them and do each problem. There are 7 ants. 4 ants are big. The rest are small. How many ants are small? Number 5. There are 8 hats. 2 hats are small. The rest are big. How many hats are big? There are 5 trees. 1 tree is short. The rest are tall. How many trees are tall? How many tall trees? Okay. And then when you're done with that, you turn the page. (64A). There are 7 bags. 2 bags are big. The rest are small. How many bags are small? And number 2. There are 6 dogs. 4 dogs are brown. The rest are black. How many dogs are black? Okay. So those are the problems I want you to work on today. Make sure you are showing your work so I can see where you are labeling it. Okay? I hope you have fun with this, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.